Alright, so we're getting a plug here, and we're going to tap off of the other one here. Finally got the fish line through. Also found a wire hidden in the wall, just sitting there like that. I'm going to test see if that has any heat on it. That might be what got disconnected somewhere over here or something. I don't know what that wire is just sitting in the wall for, but we'll look at it when I'm done here. Alright, so we got the wire here. We're going to go ahead and pull it through. There you are. Alright, that's what we wanted. Let's pull it till we got just enough. Alright. Then we gotta get it up to there next. So we got enough here. Just make sure there's plenty. All right, we're good. All right, we got that button back up. We got the load or the line coming off there, coming over here. We just cut the box pole out. We're gonna go ahead and hook everything up. Go ahead and trim this off. All right, here we go. Go ahead and bring him through. All right. Make a hole here and bring that wire. All right, got a new plug there for the microwave. It works, good to go. And then the plug for the fridge is still operational as well. There we go.